Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how we can install IntelliJ IDE for Java development. So I will go here and search IntelliJ, and here I will click for Java and Kotlin, and I will is- accept the cookie set, or I will do just one thing. I will just click on download here. Okay, and here I can see multiple options. So as my like my machine is Macbook, so it is showing me by default DMG file for Apple Silicon and Intel. So it is, you can see here it's coming free 30-day trial. So I will not download this because I am going to use it for free. So I will use the free version. So that is the community edition for IntelliJ IDEA. So I will download this one, and you can see here download, and it is automatically selected in Intel, sorry, Apple Silicon chip, because I'm using MacBook M1 here. And here I will click on download, and you can see downloading has been started. As you can see, download has been completed. So I will click on here, and I will click on this open folder icon, and I will double click on this downloaded file, and it is asking me to drag and drop to this application folder. So I will just double click on it and drop it here. Okay, so yeah, it is going on and it is completed, and I will now close this one, and I will also delete this downloaded file because that is now not required. So now I will go to my applications, and you can see here IntelliJ IDEA C. So I will click on this one, and now it is launching the IntelliJ. So yeah, it is asking for the first time. So I'll click on here open, and you can see the snippet screen and the installation, sorry, the agreement. And I will click the send anonymous statics to like for any failover or crashes. So here this is the welcome screen from where I can start uh, a development of Java or Kotlin project. So to start with the Java, I can click on Java or Kotlin. I will click on new project here, and you can see by default it is selecting here Java. Okay, I can name it as a test project, and we have multiple build systems which we can use. So I prefer Maven here. So I will click on Maven, and I will click on create. Now you can see it is creating the project. Okay, so now you can see the project has been created, and by default it has generated few code snippet related to the uh, like I mean that basic working things here you can see in the code. So as you can see here, the main function is here, main class is here basically. uh, Let me go again here in the main class, main.java. Okay, so here you can see the main. So this is the main entry point of the project, or we can say complete project. So inside main we are having here like printf is code here to print this hello and welcome on the console, and after that we are having some for loop here to like print the 1 to 5 numbers. So let me click on this. Okay, this file editor is not runnable. Okay, so yeah, let me check why it will not run. Yeah, I can see now green button is coming here. So it took a little time to load the whole its libraries. So yeah, now we can see here run main.java. So I will click on here to run it, and you can see here at the bottom you can see the console here. It is printing 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so to print these like uh, this one basically these all the number in the new line. So here also I need to do print ln. Okay, I will save it, I will run it again, and you can see now one is printed from the next line after hello and welcome. Okay, to debug the same code, you can see as I have added here a debugger. So you can see also add debugger by just simply clicking on this number, line numbers. Okay, it will add the debugging like debugger here. You can see. So to debug the application, I will click on this one actually, debug main.java file. You can see. So once I will click on that debug icon, now you can see debugging has been started and it is currently here. Okay, and we can move forward. We have controls like this. You can see, yeah, we have stopped it and we have like resume the program. We have going to start over. That means it will go to the next line. So if I will click on here, so you can see it has reached to next statement after this one. So you can also check here the value of I. For example, I am currently having here I. So once it will reach to this, we can see the file, I mean the value. So you can see currently value of I equal to 1, or we can also hover the like click on that particular variable to see the value. Okay, again if you want to see the next running of the loop, again I will go here, and you can see currently value of I is 1. It is also showing here, and once I click on the next, then you can see now value of I got changed because loop is now running for the second time. That's why I value of I equal to 2. So in the same way, we can debug line by line all the things. I equal to 3, now I equal to 4, now I equal to 5, and now it will exit because condition will be false. So I mean currently the condition is I equal to 5, which is currently true, but as it will reach to the I equal to 6, but it will not reach because the condition got failed. So it has exited from there. And if I want to step out, so I will click on step out to exit from all the debuggers basically. Okay, so yeah, you can see here uh, the console basically here, and you can see here few more details connected to the target VM. VM is basically it is JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which is connected with this localhost address 127.0.0. And this is the port number 52616, and it is using socket type transport. So these things are showing in the details in the console, so you can see all these things. And here you can see the threads and variables. So currently we are not using any threads, so by default it will be using like its default behavior, or we can say the main thread only with a single thread to run the program. Yeah, I think this is all in this video. So I hope you got the idea how you can install the IntelliJ, and you can also create a project using Java or other things as well. So you can also check these files, the whole folder structure, and understand its behavior. So this is the pom.xml, basically the configuration file of the Java. Okay, so yeah, this is all, I think. Yeah, in this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.